Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to do a boomerang on the Snapchat. So if you are using iPhone, then you can easily create boomerang on the Snapchat, but if you are on the Android, you won't be able to get this feature. But watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat. And if you are on the iPhone, first of all you have to shoot a video. uh, you have shooted a video. Now you will see a boomerang option right here if you are iPhone user, but if you are on the Android, you have to create a boomerang with this trick, like move your camera like this and you will see it's giving a boomerang effect, and you have to click on this loop option, so it will look like a boomerang. So this is the procedure to create or do a boomerang on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.